Hey guys, shaFs here. So today I will show you how you can use your internet by using Wi-Fi, particularly the geo private, inside hospitals, railway stations, malls or any other public places where there's no reception of network. The geo private Wi-Fi is presently probably in every public place in India, but as the name suggests, the Wi-Fi is private and you will need a username and a password to access it. But you can use it without the username and password. Before showing you that, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss a video like this. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first we will turn on the Wi-Fi in any public place where there is geo private. Now when you click on the Wi-Fi network, it will ask you for username and password, but don't worry, just click on the advanced option. Now at the top, select the AKA under the drop down menu of EAP method. Remember AKA, not the AKA dash. Now select your geo sim under the select sim. Now you will be connected and you can use your internet data on your number through the Wi-Fi. So this is how you can use the Wi-Fi in any public place where there's no reception of your network. Now you can check your internet speed, which is far faster than no reception at all. So that's all for today. Hope it was informative, and if it was, then do subscribe and do like the video. This is shaFs and I will see you in the next one.